Hello, I'm Catherine Borg and I'm going to show you how to print onto clay. Okay, so you'll see here my underglazes, and then we're going to use these underglazes to actually print onto clay. You can see here that I've got my palette and my brushes. I've also got a slab of clay that I've rolled out, and then from that I've got some newsprint here which you can buy online, and what I've done is actually painted a scene onto the newsprint, but I've actually started with my black line first. So you have to go the opposite. So everything that you want at the top of your pot to be the central feature, you have to put on first, and then you can kind of like colour in from the front backwards. So everything that you see, all the greens, that will be towards the back. Okay, so what we're going to do from there is take our newsprint picture and put it onto the slab of clay. Okay, like so. The next thing we're going to do, we're just going to press that down gently, and then using a damp sponge, we're just going to sponge the newsprint just very gently, and you can start to see the pattern coming through. Okay, can you start to see that? That's it. It's easier to actually draw on the newsprint instead of drawing directly on the clay, because smudging, you can get a nicer crisp line. Okay, so you can start to see that coming through there. Make sure it's all dampened down. Before you put it onto your clay, you want your picture to be dry on the newsprint. And then with the damp sponge, you're actually dampening down the underglaze, or you can use slips as well. And then once you've done that, you can try and have a little peek, see, and you can start to see it coming through. It needs to be dampened down a lot more. Press it down onto the clay as well. Until the newsprint is saturated. You just want to dampen it and sponge it down, because if you start to squeegee it, you don't want the pattern or the picture you've got underneath, you don't want that to actually start distorting. Okay. Okay, I'm just going to have another little peek. You can start to see the black of the pattern coming through, but the underglazes still need a little bit more water and dampening down. So I'll keep doing this, and then I will post a picture of the final result. Okay.